I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go through filling out your tax forms for your affiliate earnings. Filling out your tax forms is very important. If you don't fill out your tax forms, you're not going to be able to get paid at all. Filling out tax forms is a legal requirement for a citizen of any country. If you're a US citizen, you need to fill out the W-9. If you're a non-US citizen, you need to fill out the W-8BEN. And if you want to fill it out as a company, you fill out the W-8BEN-E. To fill out your tax form, go into the Builderall business area and then click on tax forms. And that's going to take you to this page. So depending on what country your account is registered in will depend whether it opens up the W-8BEN or the W-9 form. Because my account is registered in the UK, it opened the W-8BEN as default. So you need to fill out this form as much as possible and completely correctly. This form gets sent to the governing body of your country, so it needs to be accurate and needs to have all of your information on. So I'm going to fill this out as best as I can. So I've filled this all out to the best of my ability. It's all self-explanatory except the reference number, and the reference number you need to put your unique affiliate number, which you can find in any of your affiliate links. So once you've filled it out as best that you can, click sign the document. And then a box is going to pop up so you can sign the document yourself. So now you just click and drag to sign your name. So you can sign it either with your written signature or you can sign it with a font. So you can choose one of the options here. I'm going to choose to sign with my signature, and then it's going to save the signature. And now it's signing the document. Then you're going to get a message saying document signed via Builderall Office. So now if I refresh and scroll down to the bottom, you can see that it says this form is already signed, and you can download the signed document here. So I'm going to click on download the signed document, and it's going to show me the full signed document there with the signature that I drew. So now it's all signed, you're ready to start withdrawing your commissions. So in this video, we went over your tax forms for affiliate earnings.